Hello guys! Welcome to Visit Dubai today. For those who are still not subscribers, please do click the subscribe button and click the bell button for new video updates. Today, we are going to watch and learn how Dubai has taken COVID-19 sterilization to another level. How Dubai Municipality, in partnership with Emirates Foundation, has developed and modified drones, bikes, and cars to sterilize Dubai. Let's check it out. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and see you on our next video. Bye!